These efulefus and some other persons are still in my DM and in my comment section. Yoruba. It's not all about you people. I'm talking about reviving Igbo language. I'm talking about rejuvenating Igbo language. I am talking about making it Igbo alone. We do not say gang, we say bam. We do not say shoe, we say nokwa. We do not say Oluwae, we say Chineke me. We do not say Bola, we say Amu, Mobutu. We do not say Mabasi, we say Makachi. We do not say Japa, we say Olariela, Mobu Onariela, Mobu Ojemba, Mobu Ojelamba. We do not say I, we say Onwala, Mobu Opemene, Mobu Buo. I will buy you, I gonna boogie. We do not say now wow, we say Odiegu. We do not say window, we say mpio. We do not say oya, we say ngwa. Take note.